Introduction. Political parties play an important role in a representative democracy. In this chapter, we will learn about the meaning of a political party, the functions of political parties, and the types of political parties in India. Meaning of political party. A political party is a group of people who share common opinion on political matters. Political parties decide their strategy about various public issues to create the program or policy of the party. There are many political parties in a democracy. Political parties compete in the elections to capture power. The party winning the majority of seats in the elections is known as ruling party. The party which is not able to get the majority is known as opposition party. The ruling party gets the opportunity to implement its policies and programs. Party system. Political parties operate in a system called the party system. The party system is classified according to the number and capacity of parties. In a one-party system, single party is in existence or only one party is effective. There may be other parties in one-party system, but they are not powerful enough to be the ruling party. In a two-party system, two parties are effective. Both the parties have the capacity to form the government. A multi-party system has many effective parties and they compete with each other for power. In India, the senior members of the party select the candidates. The candidate gets the ticket, that is, candidature from the party. In India, the political parties are known by their symbols. There are few countries where there are no political parties. For example, Qatar, Oman, and United Arab Emirates are countries where political parties are banned or not allowed. People and political parties. People feel affiliated with political parties and believe that political parties will solve their problems. Political parties are also dependent on the people for support in elections. At the same time, there is criticism of political parties from citizen movements, media, and non-governmental organizations. Function of political parties. Political parties are important in a democracy for various reasons. 1. Policy formulation. Political parties formulate and canvass different policies. The winning party captures power and implements its policies. 2. To form and run the government. The party which comes to power tries to satisfy the demands of the people by converting people's demands into programs. Thus, it tries to get the support of the maximum number of people. 3. To make laws. The minister from the ruling party or any member of the parliament can present a draft of a law. The members of the opposition in parliament debate or criticize the bill. This criticism helps to protect the interests of citizens. The bill put forth by the ruling party gets converted into law with the help of majority. 4. To create awareness and educate people. Parties provide access to government transactions. Meetings, gatherings, sessions, and pamphlets of the political parties provide political knowledge to people. Political parties Increase democratic participation by campaigning at the time of elections and educating people on various issues. 5. Role of opposition. The opposition parties criticize the wrong policies of the government. They may demand the cancellation of wrong policies if they are against the interest of the people. For example, hike in prices of food and vegetables and irregular water supply. Thus, the opposition helps to create a responsible government. 6. Bridge between government and the people. Parties play a decisive role to convey people's demands to the government. They also convey the government's decisions or policies to the people. They are sensitive to their actions and feedback of the people. Types of political parties. Political parties in India are classified according to their area of influence in two main types: national parties and state or regional parties. Both the groups include ruling and opposition parties. Let's learn about some important national parties of India. 1. Indian National Congress or Congress Party. Established in 1885, this party was dominant in Indian politics from the beginning. The party supports secularism, welfare of weaker sections and minorities. It was a ruling party at the centre from 1947 to 1977. Again, it ruled the central government from 1980 to 1989. After 1991, it did not get the majority, but it was able to rule the country with the support of other parties. The party was not in power from 1996 to 2004. From 2004, the Congress Party is ruling India as a leader of the coalition known as United Progressive Alliance or UPA. 2. Bharatiya Janata Party. Established in 1980, the aim of the party is to build strong and prosperous modern India while preserving ancient Indian traditions and culture. The party emphasizes cultural nationalism or Hindutva as an important factor in Indian politics. It also supports integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India, uniform civil code, and ban on religious conversions. It came to power at the centre in 1998 as the leader of National Democratic Alliance and remained in power till 2004. 3. Bahujan Samaj Party. This party was formed under the leadership of Kanshi Ram in 1984. The aim of the party is to secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes Dalits, Adivasis, other backward classes, and religious minorities. The party has its main base in Uttar Pradesh. 4. Communist Party of India. Established in 1925, this party works to promote the interests of workers, farmers, and the poor. The ideology of the party is Marxism-Leninism, and it believes in secularism and democracy. In 1964, the party was divided and a new party known as Communist Party of India or Marxist was created. In 2004, the party supported from outside the Congress-led UPA government at the centre. However, it withdrew its support in 2008. 5. Communist Party of India Marxist. Established in 1964, it supports secularism, socialism and democracy and opposes communalism and imperialism. It is influential among the industrial workers, poor, agricultural workers and farmers. It criticizes the new economic policy which results into introduction of foreign capital in India. The party has been ruling West Bengal for 34 years from 1977 to 2011. The party supported UPA government at the centre from outside in 2004. Nationalist Congress Party. This party was formed after the split in Indian National Congress in 1999. Nationalist Congress Party supports democracy, equality, social justice, Gandhian principles and federalism. It also supports the empowerment of weaker sections of the society. The party insists on the rule that the high offices of the country should be given to the natural-born citizens of India. The party supported the UFA government from 2004. Let's study some important state or regional parties now. The influence of state or regional parties is usually limited to a particular region or state. Some state-level parties limit themselves to the welfare of the state, while others have national-level existence. For example, Trinamool Congress Party, which is a ruling party in West Bengal, has national-level organization. From 1996 onwards, almost all state-level parties were partners in the central government. So, these parties have become very important. Let's learn about the two major state-level parties of Maharashtra, starting with the Shiv Sena. Established in 1966 in Mumbai, the party emerged out of the movement based on the ideology that Maharashtra is for Marathi people. Gradually, the party broadened its scope to Hindu nationalism. Shiv Sena declared alliance with Bharatiya Janata Party in 1989 on the issue of Hindu nationalism. This alliance formed the government in Maharashtra in 1995. Shiv Sena also supported the BJP-led government at the centre in 1996. Another important party in Maharashtra is the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Established in 2006 in Mumbai, it is a breakaway group from the Shiv Sena. The party is committed to raising the state of Maharashtra, its people and the Marathi language to resplendent glory. MNS won 13 seats in Maharashtra in the 2009 Assembly elections. As of now, there are 12 members of the party in the Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha. Maharashtra also has regional parties that have limited influence in the state. Examples are the Peasants and Workers Party, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, Jan Suraj Shakti, Communist Party of India or Marxist, Lok Sangram Party, Rashtriya Samaj Party and Bharip Bahujan Mahasangh, Janata Dal and Republican Party.